programming still worth learning? Are the industries still using C programming for their development activities? Will C programming become obsolete in the near future due to rising demand for other programming languages? Well, you might be having similar kind of questions related to C programming in your mind. Now, let us try to find out solutions to these questions. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Link Frequency and I'm Aishwarya Pattar. Without any further delay, let's try to find solutions to our questions together. Generally, people think that C programming applications have reduced day by day. In universities or in colleges, we often had a question, why are we learning C programming instead of learning Python, Java or C++, which are more trending and popular? But the inevitable fact is that C programming is considered to be one of the oldest and the basic fundamental programming language. The knowledge of any other programming language is incomplete without being familiar with C language. C programming is majorly used in creation of hardware devices, operating systems, drivers, and kernels. Additionally, it is massively used in the development of GUIs and IDEs. Hence, it is completely worth to learn C programming in the year 2022 as well. Most of the world's leading companies are using C programming for their professional use. According to Statista data, approximately 21% of the developers are using C for their coding purpose, which clearly indicates that C is not going to be outdated. It has become general purpose language because of its popularity. So now let us try to look into the real world applications of C language. Linux kernel was written in C and partially in assembly language. Similarly, Microsoft Windows kernel was also developed in C and partially using assembly language. Most of the world's famous databases such as Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL servers are coded using C language. Many 3D movies are created with applications that are generally written using C. Talking about applications of C, how can we forget embedded systems? From the start of the day till the end, we are surrounded by so many stuffs that are embedded systems. Consider coffee making machine, washing machine, microwave, alarm clock, sensors, or even in vehicles such as anti-lock braking system, cruise control, airbag, or even the display on the dashboard are all having C programming. Looking at the vast applications of C programming around us, we have come up with our new course, that is C Programming for Absolute Beginners 2022. In this, we will learn everything that is necessary to get started with C. By the end of the course, you will be able to understand the basic concepts of C. So gear up yourself for the course and subscribe to our channel Link Frequency for further updates. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you could enjoy the video. This would be a great course for learners who are interested to learn C. Tune yourself to make a difference.